We all know how passionate Elon Musk is about populating Mars, right? He imagined sending a small payload all the way to Mars just to promote his idea of life on Mars is possible. So he went all the way to Russia to negotiate a deal to buy a rocket, but just during that period of negotiation, price of a rocket tripled. So he was very unhappy about the deal, so he came back empty-handed. What made him think about what to do next is what I'm going to explain you in this video. Hi, I am Nira from New Zealand. Welcome to my channel and continue watching this video to gain more insightful news about what he did next. So, unhappy with the deal, when you ask this question, why, it gives all kind of challenges and problems that will change the course of the history or the course of your company. So when he started studying about that challenge, he found out the cost is tripled just because all the rockets are not reusable. So in this video, we are going to see the process behind strategically thinking and finding out the issue that is causing all the problem. The concept of crux is narrowing down to the critical issues that your company is having. Either it is strategically, either it is production wise. So the crux helps you find the critical issues that is causing all the problem in your company. In the last session of our video, I'm going to explain how Amazon become #1 online marketplace without even having so many competitions in the world. So there are 3 simple steps of finding the crux. Step number 1, collect. So how does collect work? In this step, what you are going to do is list out all the problems that your company has. Don't worry what department it is, don't worry about it now. Just list out all the challenges that your company or your department is having. Step number 2, cluster. So in this step, what you are going to do is simple. You have a list of problems. All you're going to do is list out the department or category of that particular problem. After that, all you're going to do is separate them between the groups. Same group of one department, same group of other department, same group of same category. Sometimes it is hard to categorize what is the real cause of that problem. Sometimes it is difficult, but put wherever that problem suits the most. So step number 3 is the most important step of all. Step number 3 is filter. So what you're going to do is you have a list of problems in each category. You're going to filter down to 2 more categories. First is based on the importance and the second is based on addressability. If it questions the company values, then definitely that is the most important problem and that needs to address immediately. But after that, you can categorize all the problem based on your priorities or addressability. Some challenges are really easy, but some of the challenges are really hard to address. We don't know how to address those challenges, and those are the challenges where your company's crux lies in. So just dip down, dig further until you go to the root cause of why that challenge is occurring and how to solve the challenge. To simplify this issue, to simplify this process, I have this one-page tool where I use every little detail of issues, categories, and when and how to address them. You can definitely have more than one person depending on the categories to get to the bottom of the issue and solve it. So when Amazon first opened its marketplace service, it allowed all of the competitors and every other services available online to list that product free on their website. So the crux was some of those companies can actually scale very well by using Amazon, and they would no longer require the service that Amazon provides, or they would become a really big competitor of Amazon. Now the challenge was, if you deny all those companies that would potentially become the competitor, they would stop listing their product on Amazon website, and Amazon would practically lose the market of all those big companies. If you deny those services to the sellers, that would limit the growth of Amazon. To overcome this challenge, they started greatly improving on their logistics and supply chain of transportation. So to solve this challenge, Amazon did something amazing, and that thing was they provided access to their own shipping and own logistic to all the suppliers and all the sellers. Also, not only that, they also opened their own warehouse for the sellers. So they started storing the product for the sellers. Thank you guys for watching this video so far. If you have any questions, please comment below in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Please like, share and subscribe.